Hey guys, if your Streamlabs application is not capturing your desktop audio, then keep watching, as in this video I've got a few quick and easy solutions. So the first thing you need to do is launch up the Streamlabs application, and then we're going to head over to the settings window in the bottom left hand side. Come over to the navigation on the left and select audio. Then if we come down to desktop audio device 1, from this drop down, you just need to select where you want the volume to be played out from. So if you have laptop speakers like myself, I'm just going to go ahead and select these. But if you have headphones, then you can just select your headphones. And once you've done that, we can press done. Then down here in the mixer tab next to your desktop audio, you just want to ensure that this volume slider is actually turned up and not muted. And if it's muted, then we can just switch here to turn it off. If that still doesn't fix the issue for you, then another thing we can do is come back over to the settings window. Come all the way down to Get Support at the bottom, and in this cache section, we're just going to go ahead and select Delete Cache and Restart. Click on OK to confirm. Now you just need to go back through the steps to set up Streamlabs, and once you're back inside of here, then you can check to see if that fixes the issue. If that still doesn't work, the last thing that I'd recommend doing is coming over to Add Sources, and rather than using either a window capture or a game capture, you can instead try using the screen capture over here. Click on Add Source, and then just go through the steps to add this source to your program. And by using the screen capture, that should now pick up your desktop audio. So when you have something playing like music or game audio in the background, that should now be being picked up over here. And it's as simple as that, guys. That's how you fix the issue where your desktop audio is not being picked up in Streamlabs. If you did find this video useful, then please consider dropping a like and subscribing. Until next time.